Let me out! Hello! Alright, so, yep, this is it here, I think. I'm gonna be careful because the stuff is really, like, old and weathered, so I don't even know how many we're gonna need. I think we're gonna probably need 5 or 6 for sure.
New project day. Lisa tells me she wants to make a tabletop for that little metal stand out of the leftover skid wood that we used for the bar at our wedding. So she's got me all the wood here, and we flipped it upside down so the non-weathered side looks a little bit nicer to work with. Got them all laid out. It's going to have about an inch around the entire thing that we can make it a little bit bigger than the actual stand. What to do first is we're going to attach all these together. So the way to do that is I'm going to trim off just a very thin sliver of wood from the inside of all the pieces, and then I'm going to glue and clamp them together. Good. We've trimmed down just barely a 1/16 of an inch off of each side of the inside of each of these pieces, and then when we put them together they're going to make a very tight seal that way. So much tighter seal than leaving them as they were before. So now that we've got that, we're going to be able to start gluing. So when you're gluing these pieces together, you want to put a nice bead of glue on here, but then after you've got the glue on both sides, you want to give it a bit of a wipe so that it covers all of the flat surface area on here. And a fine good morning. So we've let this dry overnight. We're going to take the clamps off and we're going to have a look. Pretty not too bad. So next we want to draw a circle here. Going to sit like that. So we've only got about this much to work with on each side as an overhang. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the midpoint of this section and draw a circle from there. It's 14 2/8. So 7 1/8 is going to be our center point. There we go. Okay, so now we can draw our circle. Now we can cut.
This stain is actually a natural stain. I decided that I wanted a little tiny bit darker, so there was a can beside me. I wasn't exactly sure the color I wanted until I put it on. So this one beside me here just was a little glob left in the bottom, and I just dabbed the cloth on while it was still wet. That's a nice thing about stain. When it's still wet, you can kind of darken it up. Lightening is a bit of a different story, but darkening is quite easy. So I just dabbed it and just kind of pushed it on in there and kind of got the wood to absorb as much as it could. One of the best things about this time of year are these little guys. They're so, oh my god, they smell so good. Look at how cute they are. Look underneath. Lily of the valley. So cute.
Pocket holes into the sides.
Was that Kermit?
That? No, that's if Kermit had
A German cousin?
pseudo-German cousin, then that might be who I was talking about.
I decided to just put a clear coat over top of this wood. This wood has so much character that I know that the clear coat would kind of bring that out even more. And it's actually really rough wood. So I didn't want to sand it. I didn't want to do anything. I just knew that it would look quite nice. Clear coated. And wait till you see this fun little gadget my brother gave me.
You mean you should be wearing PPE?
Yes. Measurement?
Uh,
I don't know, but did you get tickets to the gun show?
oh, yeah.
Ew.
Oh, look at that.